Hello friends, here we are discuss of biotransformation. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Singh, and without invest more times, we are start our slides. Here we are know our metabolic activities like absorption, distribution, biotransformation, excretion. But here we are discuss biotransformation. My first questions are biotransformation are: what is a biochemical transformation? Biochemical transformation is the transformation of one chemical compounds into another chemical compounds, like we are eat drugs, poisons, in active form or inactive forms. After that, it proceed and active stage as more potent or less potent or convert into toxic stage. But there are inactive stages like it does not form in our bodies. We are proceed second questions. Second questions are: what was the postulate of F. A. Lippmann? Lippmann postulated that ATP is the universal carrier of chemical energies in the cell. It completed in C4 cycle at mesophyll. Oxalic acids are converted into pyruvic acid, and pyruvic acid are converted ATP to AMP by and finally phosphophenol pyruvate. After that, it converts oxalic acid and release carbon dioxide in all over cycle. Here ATP are energy carrier compound. Here proceed third questions. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is the conservation of glucose in pyruvate acid with release of energy. Here glucose convert, converted ATP to ADP in glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate. After it helps to ATP to convert ADP and helps Mg2 plus to convert fructose 1,6-diphosphate and 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde 3-PGA with the help of 3-PGA. Here two fluoroester compound. Here one compounds are 1,3-diphosphoglycerate and second and 1-dihydroacetone phosphate. 1,3-diphosphoglyceraldehyde by the help of 2 ADP to ATP and forms 2-phosphoglyceric acid and 2-phosphoglyceric acid, then release water to convert to phosphophenolic pyruvic acid and finally convert into pyruvic acid with the help of Mg2 plus and 2 ADP converted into 2 ATP. Here it is complete glycolysis cycle. My fourth questions are: what is lactic acid fermentation? Lactic acid. Lactic acid fermentation is production of lactate in muscles and by microorganisms. Here, glucose are converted into 2-pyruvate acid with the help of 2 ATP to ATPs, and pyruvate acid is converted into lactate by the help of 2 NAD plus to convert 2 NADPH. Here, hydrogen are released by electrons. Next, what is respiratory electron transport system, also called ETC cycle? ETC is the subquintantial transfer of electron from substrate to oxygen through a series of electron carrier. Here AH to convert into H2, coenzymes NAD are convert into NADH plus H plus N and finally convert coenzymes NAD. Here Fe flavin convert into Fe flavin H2 and it's repeated again, and coenzymes Q are convert into Q plus H2 and it's a cyclic mode. 2 Fe3 plus are convert into 2 Fe2 plus and is cyclic on and release 2 hydrogen ion. Two oxygens half mode is convert into H2O and release and accepted to H plus ion by the cytochromes. F, Fe ions are converted into Fe2 plus ions in the cytochrome cells. My next questions are, what is citric acid cycle? CAC. CAC cycle is the final oxidative pathway of carbon like carbohydrate, fatty acid and amino acid. Here acetyl coenzymes are converted in citrate. After citrate are converted in isocitrate are known as IC, and it's converted next product by the help of NAD plus NADH plus H plus ion by the ion release carbon dioxide and convert alpha ketoglutamate Kz. It's convert succinic coenzymes A by the help of NAD plus NADH plus H plus ion and release carbon dioxide. Succinic acid converted into succinate by the help of GTP. It's convert GDP. Succinate are converted into fumarate by the help of FAD to the FADH2. After fumarate convert into malate by the help of H2O and malate convert into oxo acetate by the help of NAD plus and NADH plus ion and finally convert citrate is called CAC cycle. Here both two mode of carbon dioxide release and GDP converted into GDP and FAD are converted into FADH2. Here H2O are removed from the fumarate to malate and NAD plus converted into NADH plus ion. My next questions are,